Hey everyone, so in this video I want to show you how you can find Amazon merch bestsellers for a specific day in time. So basically you can go back into the past and find a individual specific day and see exactly the shirts that sold the best on that day. And this is great because if there's a date coming up in the future that you're thinking is going to be a big seller you want to plan for and make shirts for that day, you can use this historical information to find the shirts that sold last year on that day really well and make similar designs, use similar titles and similar descriptions to hopefully increase your chances of making sales on that day in the future when it comes around again the year following. So what I'm using to do this is a tool called Merch Informer. You can find the description to the website in the link to this video. It's free to use for the first 3 days. I've just started using it and I think it's really powerful. I'm going to be using it for my research with Amazon merch in the future for sure. So basically what I can do is, say I wanted to make a shirt for Christmas Day, people that were buying, let's say people were buying on December the 15th, so 10 days before Christmas in 2017, probably in preparation for Christmas. What shirts were selling really well on the 15th of December last year, so I can get those shirts similar, with similar designs and use those inspiration from the shirts from last year for my designs on December 15th in 2018. So let's do a search now and find the shirts that were selling the best in the past on December 15th. So it's come back with 500 results. So I can see the lowest price shirt was $11.54, the highest price was $24.99, and the average price was $7.87. And what this has done here now is it's listed all of the best selling shirts for December 15th, 2017 in order from the best selling shirt at the top to the lowest selling shirt at the bottom. So I can see the top selling shirt on that day was this Dilly Dilly shirt, and it was selling on average 2,250 shirts every month. And this was the best selling shirt on December 15th, 2017. I can then see there was I Paused My Game to Be Here t-shirt. $11.94 was the price it was selling for. It was selling on average 1,710 shirts a month, and that was the second highest shirt on December 15th, 2017. Shane Dawson's shirt was the third best-selling shirt on that day, and so on and so forth. And we can basically, we've got some Christmas light shirts here with the alphabet on them, so we can get inspiration now from these shirts that were selling well last year for December 15th this year, and basically increase our chances of selling, because consumer behavior is annual, it's routine. People search for the same thing sort of every year. So if you make a shirt that can tap into the sentiment or the feeling that people were searching for last year, you're probably likely to make some sales next year. So I think this tool is really powerful. You can see everything you need to know, the price it was selling for on the day, how many shirts it sells a month, and you can get the exact design there in front of you, and you can go to your designer, you can design it yourself and do a modification, something that's not infringing the copyright, but something that's inspired by this design, and you're probably going to make some sales next year. You can do this for holidays, it's for Easter, St. Patrick's Day is coming up right now, Christmas, Independence Day. You can use it for any day in the past, and it's going to give you, some inspiration for what to do this year to increase your chances of making sales on those holidays. So that's really it, everyone. It's the merch archive section of Merch Informer. You can find the Merch Informer website using the link in my description box below. Like I said, it's free to use for 3 days to get all of your inspiration. If you want to use it after those 3 days, it's $10 a month to use moving forwards. I'm going to be using it moving forwards, and I'll keep giving you any useful updates that I find in the future from using this tool more. But thanks for watching the channel. This is Starting Up. Subscribe if you want more Amazon merch videos or more videos about making money online in general using either affiliate marketing, dropshipping, Amazon merch, or anything else that I touch on or find interesting. I'll share with you on the channel. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Videos every Monday and Thursday, and I'll see you very soon. Good luck with Amazon merch, everyone. Bye.